Sweatshirt.
Hey, this is a comfortable sweatshirt. Making fun of my sweatshirt.
His lady sweats.
I don't care.
Hi guys, Colby from Atlanta, so I'm wearing my lady sweatshirt.
Yeah. Today we're going to be building an 8-foot pondless. We're going to be doing a pooling area inside of this. It's going to look really nice. And there'll be a lot of flowing water out of this feature. What's up everybody? It's Colby from Atlantis Water Gardens. Today we're in Morris Plains, New Jersey. We're actually right behind our retail store. So this project is really close for us, so it makes it really easy on us. So Bowler's over here, he's already digging it. We're gonna be putting the spillway against the back wall there, and we're gonna have it come out, do a little turn to the right a little bit, have a nice pooling area in the middle, and have that drop into another little stream that's going to be about 1 inch of water in there, so that'll be really nice. You can see the water coming over the cobbles there, and then we'll have that last drop into the basin. We're going to put a little bib liner in there so you can see the water over on top of that, and then it'll just sink into the vault. Excavator sitting over here, we've got our rocks, and the hole for our reservoir is dug for the most part, but of course Brennan found an issue. So now we got to take this big rock out of here, this corner, and fill that back in. Then Ant's gonna go in here with our 4-foot level all that nice and flat, and we've already got our hole for the vault dug, so we can stick everything back in here when Brennan gets this out of here, and we can just keep moving along. And we're gonna work on getting our shelves cut for our waterfall. So Pee-wee over here took the sledgehammer. Joe came in here with the sledgehammer and broke a lot of this up. Brennan's just going in here and cleaning it up so we can get our grade back for the bottom of our blocks here. We're gonna throw some dirt back over this to protect our liner, and then we're gonna start working on the waterfall. Okay, the reservoir is finished. We've got our fabric in here. The hole for the vault is dug, and we've got plenty of room for our aqua blocks. The guys are walking in the liner now. We're gonna set that in here. We've got a 15 by 20 liner. We're gonna have 15 wide and 20 length. We're gonna have plenty of room to work with here. And the most important thing is giving yourself plenty of slack, because you don't want to be limited with the liner. So we've got our liner and our fabric in here. We've got the blocks and the vault in. And can you explain why there's gravel underneath that?
So we're just putting a little bit of gravel here on these two corners of the vault because we want to have our aqua blocks super level. We don't want them sagging when we start putting weight on them. So we're just trying to get this all around the vault nice and chalked in. Just bringing this where the gravel is up to the grade of where the ground is here for our aqua blocks. So that way when we lay everything on top, it's all going to be nice and flush, and then we're going to be able to put some large boulders on here without having to worry about them sinking over time.
So like Ant was saying, we're just getting the reservoir situated so that everything sits flush and really tight together. Then we're going to pretty much burrito the entire thing and backfill around the whole edge. So that way the soil around it holds it all together and nice and tightly, and there won't be any settling over time. And we really want to use some of these bigger rocks inside of the reservoir to really give it that shape and kind of draw it up the hill here. So that way it doesn't just look like a bunch of little rocks and then these giant boulders that don't belong. So everything's going to blend really well together. The basin is going to get a couple more boulders in here, maybe one in the corner here and another one in front of the vault. And this should be done. We're working on getting the backside backfilled so that way we can move up and do the pooling area that comes after this. And I've already picked out 2 rocks that I think are going to work well for this. These 2 mesh together so good. Now I know the water's gonna come between this and kind of just hug this one and fall off the face of it. And kind of do the same on this one. I love when they do that. And then it'll just kind of drop in the middle and have its own little waterfall here. It's just really cool to see all that water kind of ride all over all these rocks, but it's still gonna retain it in the middle of these. So we're gonna get these 2 in there after we bib this right here to make sure that the water doesn't just sink down into our reservoir here, and it actually does in fact go over the waterfall. moving right along. Brennan actually got the hole for our pipe in the vault all set up. We got that buried for the most part. Now it's just draped underneath our liner here. We're gonna work on our last spillway. So what Boley's doing, he's going around. What is Boley doing right now? So Brennan situated our pipe in the vault. Ant's up in our first waterfall here. He's working on getting the bib done. What that consists of is a piece of fabric that's cut out to the shape of the actual pooling area in here. Then he's gonna pick that up and foam everything inside of there between all these rocks and the cracks to make sure that that water doesn't slip by and go back into the reservoir and it doesn't end up pooling, which is not what we want. I can't wait to see that. Now me and Bo are gonna work up here. We're gonna pull all of our liner and our fabric back. We're gonna dig back all this so we can make our shelf for the last spillway. And I've got those 2 rocks over there picked out. They fit together so well. You guys are gonna see that in just a minute. All right, the foundation of our waterfall is completely done. We just have to put a couple more outcropping rocks around the top waterfall here, finish up the plumbing over there, hide the rest of our liner here, do a little bit more edging, and then finish up with our gravel, and we can wash this down and get it running. I am so excited to see this going. Now, really, so excited, Brennan. See, Brennan's not very excited. He's always a Debbie Downer. He's always a Debbie Downer. Look at him. He just looks like a little troll.
Like a troll?
Anyways, just gonna forget him. So Boley's grabbing some more rocks. We're gonna finish up around the edge here, put a couple more, maybe like 2 boulders here, 2 here, and close those edges up, and then fill these empty pockets with gravel. Fill this guy with gravel. This is all plumbed. Everything's done up to this point. Now we just need to finish hooking up our spillway, which is behind Boley over here. We've got it tucked up against the back of the wall. It's gonna look super clean back here. It's gonna be like a well, like a natural spring just coming up over these rocks and just trickling over these. But we have an AquaSurge 4000, so it won't do that. It'll actually rush over these 2 and just kind of rain off the front of this. It's gonna look really cool. So Brennan actually just reminded me.
You forgot about the nighttime illumination.
Go ahead, Brennan.
All right, so we got a 3-drop waterfall in here that we're building. So we have 3 1-watt lights, and they're each going to be highlighting the weir rocks. So that way the customers have all the viewing windows. They can look out their window or come out here at nighttime and really enjoy the feature.
So yes, like Brandon was saying, I did forget to mention them. We've got 3 1-watt lights going in here. There's gonna be 1 for this spillway down here, another one for the middle pooling area, and the last one is going up at that top waterfall. So this is coming together really well. I can't wait to see this finished and running. All right, guys, we're all finished up. Brennan's in the corner. He's ready to plug it in. Brennan, you ready to plug this in?
Yeah, let's see it.
All right, that's a wrap for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a thumbs up, comment. Oh my God, all right, that's a wrap for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this build, make sure to leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and always come back to check out for more videos. This is gonna be a minute. All right, that's a wrap for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this build, make sure you leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you come back to the channel for more. Oh my, they're gonna cut it. I'm not doing that again. Make sure you come back to check out any more videos that you find. Oh, we're gonna rewind a little bit. So make sure you guys come on back and check out all the